Ciao a tutti, io sono Archedi, stai facendo benvenuti nel mio canale. Oggi iniziamo con una nuova serie, Honkai Star Rail. Iniziamo. Molto bella la grafica. Qualcuno si attacca. Qualcuno si...
Seems I came at a bad time.
No. I think you couldn't have timed it better.
Elio always tells the exact future. So what's with the explosion just now? Was that also part of his script?
23:44:59 system time. The pulses from the explosion cause a massive breakdown from the master controls.
You did that.
No, the Antimatter Legion did it. They completely invaded the space station 2 system hours ago.
Alright. So do we need to fight the Legion?
I don't know. Elio didn't say anything about it, so it doesn't matter.
Got it. So from now on, I'll be in charge of this operation.
Copy. Can you let me have some fun this time? Our last few operations turned out to be pretty dull.
Sorry, I'm afraid there is not much I can do for you. Our task this time is just to place the target But if you want to go look for some fun yourself, I won't stop you. I mean, after all. After all, Elio didn't put it in the script. Why would it matter?
Così inizia la nostra avventura.
That breathing sensation. Remember it. Antimatter Legion becomes so weak.
I could only attract this much. Did you really want the entire Legion to come here?
This lot won't be able to slow down the Astral Express crew.
Relax. A Doomsday Beast is also here.
May as well kill them all. Didn't hurt. Good times never last. Time to say bye.
Cleaning up other people's mess isn't in my job description. You know, Kafka?
Quindi sono una prova.
Yeah. Where did you send it, Silverwolf?
Some random coordinates, not important. You care about where that Void Ranger ended up?
Of course not. I'm just amazed at this fancy technique of yours as you...
Just a little trick of tampering with the data of reality. I wouldn't call it fancy.
What were you looking at so intently just now? Let me see.
Herta's toys. A catalog featuring the space station's collection of rare items. They've got a lot of interesting gadgets.
Like what?
There's this gun. It can rate any creature within its crosshair as a score from 0 to 100.
Doesn't sound very interesting.
Aren't you curious about how much you would score? I kinda wanna know mine.
Fine, I guess we can swing by and play with it if it's not too far. What's our destination?
Go down the corridor behind the door on the left. There's a room where some kind of rare item is stored.
Oh, so that's where the Stellaron is.
That's where we can find out where the Stellaron is. The space station is up ahead. There will be lots of Legion Void Rangers there.
Okay. Hold it. Someone or something is up ahead.
Looks like we're the ones getting ambushed.
But they're the ones getting besieged. May as well kill them all.
More enemies.
Good times never last. Time to say bye. Not a single soul.
According to the access history, she hasn't logged in here for over 6 months. The evacuation was directed by the acting.
It doesn't ring a bell. Oh, right. Where's the Stellaron?
Elio's script doesn't include any.
We would find the Stellaron in a...
This space station is packed with extraordinary objects. I wouldn't.
Hiding something extraordinary with something extraordinary. This is pretty Herta.
I've got all the clues we need. The only piece missing. Help me investigate the terminal in this room. Our item might be.
Okay, the stage is yours. I can see the whole space station on the surveillance screen, but not the Stellaron.
Even if you could, it'd be. This is the monitor. Make your way over here then. There's no point.
So?
It's a matter of hacking the surveillance system to.
Aha, I see. Herta's collections aren't
to 11. Blind spot.
So,
The simplest method is the hardest to spot. Isn't that our motto?
strange thing number 2.
The data suggests it's...
Let's take a look. Don't worry. Interesting. She's a member of the Genius.
It has its own security.
Can you get it?
Of course. Even...
Good. Then I'll also...
The receptacle's ready. Your decision.
Elio said this decision will bring about lots of changes.
He also said, it must be you who makes it. Want to give him a new name?
There we go. How much does he remember?
I'll remember you.
Time to get up. Oh. Great. So you remember me. Well, listen. You are in a daze right now. You don't know who you are, why you're here. None of that matters. All you need to know is that I'm lead. Listen. In the near future, you will encounter at the end of your journey. All that purpose is your future that Elio has foreseen. Do you like it? Lovely. Hey, remember what you... That's the you I like.
How long do you think you need? According to the script, the astral...
I know, Silverwolf. Just give me another minute. I must leave now. Don't worry, someone will come. When you have a chance to make a choice, make one that you know you won't regret.
Abbiamo finito il tutorial, mi sa.
Weren't there coordinates sent out from the space station?
Who cares? They're here and alive. Do they... Huh? I've never done it before. Wait, stop it. They're awake. Are you all right? Can you hear me? Aw, this isn't good.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. My name's Dan Hung, and this is March. This space station was just attacked by the Antimatter Legion. We came to... Back to the Master Control Zone. Asta and the other researchers...
Plus, that's where we parked the Astral Express. Don Hung and I are members of the Astral Express crew.
Well, the Express has some dealings with Madame Hurt.
We just so happened to arrive during this... Yeah. ever seen it?
It's a unique train that can.
I'll show you once we're back to the master control zone.
You and March go back together. Arlan from the security department lost contact in the vicinity.
Oh, all right. You stay safe. Maybe you should take this. The Legion are rampaging through the space. Just a suggestion, though. You're safe.
Siamo più forti noi. Io direi che per questo video è tutto. Iscrivetevi, lasciate like, inoltre scrivete nei commenti quali altri contenuti vorreste che io portassi. Un saluto a tutti, ci vediamo al prossimo video.